you can just watch the feet of Sri Mataji. See if you can watch her lotus feet without thinking. Mother, let me put all my problems. Let me surrender all my problems at your lotus feet. Let me surrender all my ego, superego, conditionings. Your lotus feet. So with complete devotion, we can put our right hand on the heart and we'll offer some names at the lotus feet of Sri Mataji, the lotus feet of Adi Shakti. O Sri Adi Shakti Mataji, may all be auspicious. May you be pleased to permit us to offer these adorations humbly at your lotus feet. May Mother Kundalini keep us forever in your divine presence. And may our collective attention rest eternally at your lotus feet. Unfold our hands. So I will say the phrase, you just say salutations to you again and again. Sri Mataji, you conceived Sahajogis in your heart and gave them birth from your Sahasrara. Salutations to you again and again. With your incarnation, countless realized souls have taken their birth to further their evolution. Salutations to you again and again. With your incarnation, Sri Mataji, true seekers of the ancient past took their birth to have their sahasraras opened by you. Salutations to you again and again. Sri Mataji, you founded Vishwa Nirmala Dharma, the universal pure religion of realized souls. Salutations to you again and again. Your silent discourses give subtle spiritual knowledge and experiences and take us into the depth of our spirit. Salutations to you again and again. You are the one whose joy makes the world joyous. Salutations to you again and again. You are the one whose power of love awakens pure love for humanity. Salutations to you again and again. You are the one whose power enlightens our attention. Salutations to you again and again. You are the one whose grace washes away all sins. Salutations to you again and again. You are the one whose mere glance raises the Kundalini of thousands of seekers. Salutations to you again and again. Even a speck of dust from your lotus feet is enough to take us across the ocean of this mundane life. Salutations to you again and again. You are the one whose name is the most powerful mantra. Salutations to you again and again. You are the one who bestows supreme wisdom through self-knowledge. Salutations to you again and again. You are the one whose form is the origin of meditation, whose lotus feet are the origin of puja, whose words are the origin of mantra, and whose grace is the origin of moksha, that is complete liberation. Salutations to you again and again. You have taken your children into your being, and in meditation you reveal that you reside in their hearts. Salutations to you again and again. You are the ocean of compassion and rescue your children, forgiving their mistakes made in ignorance. Salutations to you again and again. You have evolved your children to be in the state of Ananya Bhakti, that is complete oneness of devotion. Salutations to you again and again. You are the Supreme Goddess, whose lotus feet grant protection from all the dangers and bestow the complete fulfillment of pure desire. Salutations to you again and again. You have made your children your instruments to give self-realization to as many people as possible. Salutations to you again and again. So we'll just say the last two ones. O Shri Adi Shakti, you are the one who works out the pure desire of all the seekers. Salutations to you again and again. O Shri Adi Shakti, by meditating upon your lotus feet, you purify and nourish our chakras. Salutations to you again and again. So we will just wash the feet of Sri Mataji. And slowly close the eyes. See if we can reach the thoughtlessness. We do not have to do anything.